So I don't really do a lot of half-up hair tutorials. Hello people of the internet, and welcome back to another hair tutorial. So I don't really do a lot of half-up hair tutorials. I only have the Easter one that I did. I also did a half-up French braid into a bun. So today I have this new half-up hair tutorial for you all, which is 2 rope braids that go into the back. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so to start off this hairstyle, I do have my hair parted, but it's not like too deep of a part to where one side of my hair would be like way bigger than the other, if that makes sense. So anyways, now for the rope break that we will be doing, since I do have my hair parted, and if you are doing this with your hair parted, one side will look a little bit smaller than the other. That is because there's more hair on one side than the other, just to make that clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top, and because we're just doing a rope braid, we only need 2 sections of hair. We're just going to be doing a little rope braid along the side of the head, and we'll be going down to about here. We're going to be crossing the bottom strand over the top strand, and then once more. And now we're going to be adding hair to it. And we're just going to continue this where we twist it once, and then do a full 360, and then adding the hair. And now that we have it twisted down to about where the ear is, continue twisting down but don't add any hair. And now to make sure this stuff will stay in place, I'm going to just hold it in my mouth for a little bit, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Both sections done. Now we're just going to get ready to tie them up in the back. Alright, and there we go. So now we have 2 rope braids that go into the back. And this just ends up making a really cute half-up hairstyle that keeps your hair out of the way while also looking really cute. Thank you all so much for watching. So have a great night, have a great morning, have a great week, have a great weekend, whatever's going on. Be sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below any other hair tutorials or any other video ideas you guys would like for me to do. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome content like this. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video.